This is the circuit actually we have. This resistor and this resistor and this resistor we made, I have given as a hint. Okay. So these are the unknown values. The unknown values we have to make. So it is pi network means delta, that is R1, R2 and R3. That means these three resistors will be the new resistors. Okay. So here what is R1, what is R2, what is R3? So we need to get that values. So if we get that R1, R2, R3, this 60, 40 and 88 will be eliminated. That means will be replaced by R1, R2 and R3. That means this is a star network. How it is, why, how you can say that star? It is just like this only, no? See the screen. You can, that T network is nothing but star only. This is 88. Actually, this is 88. This is 40. And this is 60. 88, 40 and 60. These are the resistors are there. Okay. This 60 I am expanding like this. That means it is just like a Y network or star network. Okay. So in between 60 and 80, I'm getting this pi circuit. I'm getting that pi circuit like this. Okay. Here, this will be one resistor between these 2 points. Likewise, between 88 and 40 also you will have one more resistor, and between 60 and 40 you will have one more resistor. That is a pi network. That is R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3. These are the three resistors. Okay. Please respond anyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
so just we are converting this star into delta. Star into delta means delta values are R1, R2. So that R1 is equal to, in terms of star. In terms of star, we need to write the formula. So in terms of star means we know that R1 is equal to this 60 and 40 is there. For only R resistor, for only R resistor, that is a star, that is a star, sorry, that 60 and 40 is there, no? 60 and 40 are connected to R1. So that how they are connected, 60 and 40? Okay, how that 60 and 40 are connected? 88 is kept open.
Ser-
If I give, okay,
Series.
88, okay, then it is series. Series means 60 plus 40. That is, this is as Rx is 60, Ry is 40, Rz is 88. Likewise, I have taken here. This is Rx, this is Ry, and this is 88 is Rz. So, okay, don't write this one. This is the thing you have to write, because we want R1, R2, R3 values, not Rx, Ry, because Rx values are given. So R1 is equal to R1 is equal to this Rx plus Ry. Okay, R1 is equal to Rx plus Ry plus Rx Ry by Rz. So 60 plus 40 plus 60 into 40 by 88. If you do, you are going to get 127.27 ohms. Similarly, for R2. Similarly, for R2 resistor, what are the resistors connected? This is R2. For this R2 between, okay, for R2, what are the resistors connected? This is R2. This R2, the resistors are 88 and 40.
88 and 40.
Okay, 88,
88
40
and
plus
40.
88. Okay, 40 plus 88 plus 40 into 88 divided by the
40
leftover is
into 88.
60. Okay,
60.
that is 60.
60.
So you are going, okay, you are going to get what? What is the value you are going to get? Approximately 186.66. Okay, 186.66 ohms you are going to get. Similarly, RZ. For RZ it is RZ for R. Okay, R3 it is for R3 resistor, RZ and RX are connected in series. So RZ plus RX plus RZ RX by RY. So if you substitute in the calci, you are going to get 280 ohms. So these are the three resistors we got. Okay, this will be the new circuit we need to make. Up to here it is clear, everyone? R1, R2, R3.
Yes,
R1,
sir.
R2, R3
Yes,
values.
sir.
Okay. Now what you have to do, the new circuit will be like this. Okay. This will be the new circuit. Okay. So here don't add this R1, R2, R3. Okay. Whatever the values you got, don't add that one. So those are not series. Okay. This one is cancelled. So the new circuit will be 160 is there. This point I have given as point A, and this point I have given as point B. In between A and B, we need to want. So these are the new values. This is R3, this is R1, and this is R2. Okay. And for this, one resistor is connected in the already question itself, that is 100 ohms. And for R2, one resistor is connected, that is 80 ohms. Now you can see that when current flowing, that means because of this potential 160 volts, current will be flowing like this. So this is a common point only now. So at this, current will be dividing into two parts. One is through R3, another current will be through these two branches. Okay. And again these two currents will going to divide into two parts. Okay. So just like I will show you the circuit so that it will be easy for you. Okay. I'm redrawing. You can take all of you. This is the thing you have got. This will be okay. I can write like this. On the diagram, we got like this. This is the circuit you got. Okay. Okay. This will be a confusion. That's why I made one more circuit here. The same circuit, both are same only. Here you are having voltage, that is plus and minus 160. This value is 280. And these two are 100 and 127.27. And this value is 186.66. 186.66. And this value is 80.
280.
Okay.
80.
No, only 280. Only 80. Now see here, this 80 and 280. This when current comes from here, it is this. Suppose if it is x amps is there. Suppose this x amps is there. These two currents will be dividing here. So if current divides, what is the circuit we can say?
Parallel.
They are in parallel. So likewise, these two, okay, here one current is there. This current will be dividing into two parts. So here also these two resistors are parallel. So I can minimize the circuit now. I can minimize the circuit into one resistor. This 100 ohms and 127 ohms I am simply replacing by one resistor. And this 186.66 and 80 will be replaced by one more resistor. So like this, the new circuit will be there. Is it clear now? This is 280 as it is.
Yes, sir.
This is 100 into 127. This is the thing value, 100, this value. Okay. This is the new resistor, that is RB. 100 into 127.27 by 100 plus 127.27. You are going to get as 56 ohms. 56 ohms. Similarly, this 80 and 180 is there, no? This 80 and 180, this is RA. Okay. This RA, here RA I am getting as RA. R suffix A. This is R suffix A. This is R suffix B. R suffix B. And this is R suffix A. RA value is, how they are connected? Parallel means product by sum. 80 into 186.67. 80 into 186.67 by 80 plus 186.67. So approximately you will get as, check it. I think it is 56. Check it once. All of you do in Calci. All of you work out in Calci. 80 into 186.67 by 80 plus 186.67. 56 or 65. Check it once, all of you. Check the value. Please check the value and tell. I think it is 56, not 65. How much you got? Workout in Calci. 80 into how much time will you take? 80 into 186.67 divided by 80 plus 186.67. What's the value got? Please answer. Anyone? You people not using Calcis?
56 point,
Not okay. This is
56.12, sir.
okay. So approximately we are considering as 56. Okay, 56 ohms I am considering here. 56 and this 56. Now see here. Suppose if current is entering like this, it will dividing into two parts. One current here, one more current will be here. So if current starts from 56, do you have any other paths? Only one path is there, no? From here, if it comes 56 ohms, it should go through this RA branch only, no? 56 ohms, such that the current will be same current will be flowing. That means these two resistors, how they are connected now? These two resistors, how they are connected? In series. So now I can minimize one more time. I can minimize so that I will get the circuit, new circuit like this.
56 and
So 56 plus 56 will be
112.
56 plus
112.
56 is 112. Okay, this is
112.
112 and this is 280
280.
ohms. And here the supply is there, that is 160 plus minus 160 volts. How these two now?
Parallel.
When current parallel connection. Parallel means again you need to do product
Product
by
by sum.
sum. All of you do 280 into 112 by 280 plus 112. What is the value? Tell me, all of you. How much you got? 280 into 112 by 280 plus 112. The answer is approximately the answer will be 80 ohms. Check it, all of you. Approximately the answer will be 80 ohms. The same value you got?
Yes, sir.
80 only?
Yes, sir. 80.
Okay, I am clearing all this. Okay, I am clearing all these diagrams. Finished, everyone? Don't write this R equivalent R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, I am clearing all. So this is the new value I got. This is 80. So I got only one resistor, no? Between A and B, I got only one resistor. This is the new resistor. In the question they are asking, what is the equivalent resistance between A and B terminals? So now I got no, only one resistor is there, that is 80. Now what will be the current in this branch? Okay, current I is equal to, we know Ohm's law, V is equal to
V is equals to IR.
V is equal to
IR.
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 I is equals to V by R.
So I is equal to V by R.
V by R.
Very simple.
160
That
by
is
80
old 160 by 80
is equals to
160
2.
divided
2
by
amperes.
80
2 amperes.
equal to 2 amperes.
Hmm.
I think it is clear, all of you.
Yes,
That is
sir.
the answer you got. Okay. All of you, again, you take one more problem. Using star delta transformer, not transformer, using transformation, not transformer, it is okay. Don't write Rx, Ry, Rz initially. That is the hint. Okay. Only question will be like this. These 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, and 3 ohms. Okay. Inside Rx, Ry is the in next step you have to take. using star delta transformation. Not transformer, transformation. Find the current and power supplied by the battery as shown in figure. Supplied by the battery as shown in figure. Don't take these things. Okay, this is the circuit you are having actually. So star to delta transformation, you just do this one. Okay, star to delta or delta to star, anything you can do. The thing is, you have to minimize the circuit. You have to minimize the circuit and okay, star delta transformation is any transformation, either star to delta or delta to star. So this is the circuit. All of you draw the circuit: 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, 3 ohms, and 3 ohms, and 4 ohms. And voltage is 10 volts. So thing is, we cannot minimize. Can you say that these 3 ohms and 3 ohms are in parallel? See, please, all of you see. Can you say, suppose current is there, plus and minus is there, current will be flowing through 4 ohms, higher potential to lower potential. Current will be dividing here into two parts through 3 ohms and these 3 ohms. And also this 3 ohms current, through these 3 ohms, again current will be dividing into another two parts. Yes or no? So we cannot say directly which is, we cannot say directly that is a parallel circuit. So that's why it is a pi network. Pi is nothing but delta only, no? This is looking like delta. Like this there, the circuit is. This is the circuit you are having actually. It is just like a pi network. Okay, pi model is nothing but delta only, no? Just like see this delta. This is the delta connection. Okay, this is the delta connection. Like this it is there. That delta I am changing into new circuit. So delta is nothing but this is R1, R2, and this is R3. Already these values are given, no? R1, R2, R3 values are 3 ohms. All are 3 only, no?
3 ohms, 3 ohms.
3 ohms.
Yes, sir.
Now the circuit, new circuit you have to make. That is between these one more resistor, between these another resistor, and between these two another resistor. That means Rx, Ry,
RY, Z.
RZ. One more thing is all are same. So one value, if you do, all values will be same only because same resistors are there, no? Rx is equal to Ry is equal to Rz because all are same resistors. Okay, from that diagram, I can
Same,
say
yes, sir.
that from the diagram, if I do only one value, it is enough. Rx is equal to Ry is equal to
9 by
Rz is equal to
1, sir.
okay, Rz is equal to what is the
1.
formula? One only. Okay, what is the formula you have to write? Tell me. Between these two, for this Rx,
For
how
RX,
for
R,
Rx how they are connected
R1, R,
by
R1,
C,
R, the both are
product or series or parallel
R1
for
and
Rx.
R2.
All of you see that for
Parallel, sir.
Rx parallel only, no?
Parallel, sir.
Parallel means product by
Yes, sir.
sum. Product by sum.
Product by sum.
R1 R3 by
R1 by R2.
R1 plus R2 plus
R1 plus
R3. Okay, for all the same resistors are changed, but all values will be same only. Okay, this is for Rx I am taking. This is for Rx. For Ry, Rz, it will be some values, but values of resistance will be same. Values of resistors are
RX connected.
okay. If all are same only, that
R1
R1
and
R3 is
R2,
3 into 3. 3 into 3 by 3 plus 3. 3
3
plus
plus
3
3 plus
plus
3.
3. 9 by 9. Answer is 1. So 1 is the
1.
value. 1 is the value. So that is the new circuit I am getting. Okay. Redraw the circuit. When the question is given means answer also first you have to draw the question. Then you have to minimize that. Okay. This is one new value. This is the new value. This is the new value. Now you can see directly here up to this node. Up to this node, this will be the node. This will be the highest potential. And this is the lowest potential. From here to here, how is the current? Only single path. How is the current? Single path, no? So 4
Thinking
and 1.
past.
Okay.
Series.
4 and 1. How they are connected?
Series.
Series. So
Series.
I can make you into one resistor. And how these two here current, this node current is dividing into two paths. One path will be, this is the
Two parts.
two resistors. They are connected in series, and these two are, they are also connected in series. These two are connected in series, and these two are connected in series. So I can minimize now. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1.
5.
4 plus
Five.
1 is
5.
5. 5 ohms.
4. 5. And
Then-
4 and 4.
Then next, and these two,
4
1
and
plus 3,
4.
4,
4 by
and this 1 plus 3,
4.
4,
4.
4. These two are connected, and these two are connected with negative supply.
Yeah.
This is the new circuit. Okay, this is the new circuit I am getting. And how these 4 and 4, 4 and 4, how they are
Parallel.
connected? Parallel. That is
parallel.
4 into
Parallel.
4, 4 into 4 by
4.
4 plus 4
Two.
plus 4.
Ones
Okay, this is
Four.
4 ones are, and this is 4
by
twos are.
2.
4 plus 4 is 8, no? 8 only, no? 4 twos are. 4 by 2
Two.
is 2. So
2.
this will
2,
acting.
sir.
2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. The new
7.
circuit will be
7.
7 ohms. Okay, 7 ohms. I think it is clear.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you make it down. Note it down.
Yes,
Make
sir.
it, note it down.
Yes, sir.
Finished, everyone?
Sir.
Shall I clear all the drawings?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the circuit. 5 ohms we got, 2 ohms we got. So that is R equivalent is 7 ohms. Okay, is it clear? 7 ohms I got. That means the new resistor will be like this. This is the actual,
V equals to IR.
the new circuit I am getting like this. 5 plus 2, which is
2.
7.
2 is equal to 7 ohms.
This is current flowing in that branch, and this is plus, and this is minus, and
10
this the
watt.
voltage is 10 volts. Voltage is
10
10
ohms.
volts. Okay, so what is the current now? We know Ohm's law, E is equal to
I is equals to V by
R.
V by R.
V by R.
10
Voltage
by
is there.
7.
Voltage is
4.
10. Resistor is 7. 10 by
7.
7 is approximately
1.4.
1.4 amperes.
1.4.
Approximately 1.4 amps. Current we got. What is the other question they asked? What is the other question
Power.
they asked? Power. Power formula. What is power?
supply.
Power
Power.
formula. Power you are having
V by V into
V
V
V
into I
into I.
is there, or
I
VI is
square
there,
R.
I square R.
R.
VI is there directly. What
Or
is
V
VI?
square by R.
Or V square by R. What is V? 10. What is I?
V is 10.
I? I is 1.4.
1.4.
Approximately 14 watts.
1.4.
14 watts we got.
14.
Or otherwise,
Yes,
if you
sir.
see I square R, I square R if you do, otherwise, what is I? 1.4 square,
1.4.
1.4 square, R is 7.
7.
14 square, how much ma? 196 only, no? 14 square is 196. Point is there means 1.96. 1.96, not 96. Approximately, if you do, approximately, if it is 2 into 7 is 14 only, no? 14 watts. Or V square by R, if you do, any value you are going to get same values. What is the voltage? 10. 10 square by resistor is 7. 100 by 7, na?
7.
100 by
100 by 7.
7,
Yes, sir.
which is approximately 14. 14 sevens are 96, no? 14 sevens. Approximately 14 watts. I think everybody it is clear. Any difficulty is there?
Sir.
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Shall I clear all? I'm
Yes,
clearing
sir.
all.
Yes, sir.
Please write down this. Don't take inside resistors. This is a hint only. Don't consider this R1, R2 and R3 values. Okay. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B as shown in the figure. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B as shown in the figure. So this is point A and this is point B. So you need to write that from here. If you see, only one resistor should be there. All resistors are replaced by single resistor. Like 6 ohms is connected to A and B, no? Likewise, some X resistor should be connected to between A and B by replacing all the resistor by single resistor. Make it fast. Finished? Finished. So they will ask that minimum equivalent resistance in the question, and the thing is you need to make that either star to delta or delta to star. Okay, you can also do series or parallel, but is there any series or parallel? Can you say is can you say directly that 12 ohms and this 4 and this resistor is connected in this is 4 ohms?
Sir,
Okay,
that is
can you say
4
that
ohms.
4 and 4 how they are connected? We cannot say no, it is series because this 4 is connected in between, so
Yes,
it
sir.
may be it is a parallel. And can you say that 12 and 4 and 4 these two are in, can you say that this branch and this branch is parallel only, but we cannot do the product by sum because one more resistor is connected in between here. So that's why what you have to do,
Yes, sir.
you have to go with star to delta
Sir, answer
or
is 3.
delta to star, star to delta or delta to star conversion. Let me check. Finished everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
The answer is 3, correct. What about others? What about others?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. See here, the analysis is between these two resistors. This is actually star network. I am making into pi model, that is delta R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2, R3. We know maths. Okay, R1, that means how they are connected. By seeing, we can say that they are connected in series. So you just write Rx plus Ry plus Rx Ry by Rz. And all our resistors are same. Before, if all our resistors are same means any one value is enough, because all others will be same only. Because 4, 4, 4 is there. 4 plus 4 into 4 by 4. For all others, they will get 12 only. Okay, 12, 12, 12 like this. And this is the new circuit I am getting, 12 ohms. New circuit I am getting like this. This is 12 ohms. This R2 is connected like this. This is R2 ma. Whatever the R2 is there, this is R2. Okay, this is R1 and this is R3. Okay, like this they connected. So these two, how they are two? These two now, no other resistor is connected means parallel. Here this one parallel, and here 12 and 12 is there. Here 12 and 12 is there. Both values will be same answer you are going to get. If you work out this suppose if it is okay, suppose if it is x, suppose if it is x, this is also x only. Okay, that x is equal to 12 into 12 by 12 plus 12. Okay, so 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24. 2 by 12 by 6, 12 by 2 is 6. So this is 6 ohms. This will be also 6 ohms. Okay, this branch, these two resistors will become 6 ohms, and these two resistors will become 6 ohms. And how that two? Let me go to next page. Okay, this 6 ohms and this 6 ohms. Now you can say that these two are connected in, because current is flowing in this single branch, single
sir,
path only. So these two are connected in series. So 6 and 6 is there. Series means you have to add 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, 12, and this is also 12 and this is 6. Now all these three, how they are connected? 6, 12 and 12. Okay, all are connected in parallel. You just do parallel, you know 1 by R is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. You just do 1 by R1 is equal to, sorry, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. If you do this, you will get 1 by R is equal to, R equivalent is equal to 12 is the LCM. 12 will be the LCM. 2 plus 1 plus 1. 4 by 12. 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. So 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by 3. Just reverse it. Cross multiplication, R equivalent is equal to
3 ohms.
3 ohms. Okay.
3.
Class, I think class is to 10:30. English class will be there next second class. Okay. I am clearing all this. Up to here it is clear, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.